Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I have created this black smoky eye look. To know how I created this look, please keep on watching. Starting with the skin prep, I am applying this moisturizer which is very lightweight in the formula. Spread it all over your face and let it absorb into the skin. Give some time to the moisturizer to absorb into the skin. Here I am applying lip balm to moisturize the lips. I am applying aloe vera gel as base. It will smooth out the skin and fill up the pores, and it will also help to keep the makeup in place. Now it's time for concealer. I am applying the concealer in the areas I have darkness. I am also applying it to highlight the bridge of the nose and the chin. अगर आपके फेस पे कहीं भी डार्क स्पॉट, एक्ने मार्क्स वगैरह हैं तो आप उनको भी कंसील कर सकते हो. Now I am blending the concealer in a dabbing motion. यहाँ पे हमें कंसीलर को बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड करना है ताकि हमारा बेस केकी ना लगे. Now for baking, I am using baby powder here. Apply the baby powder in the places where you have applied the concealer. Using a compact powder, I am setting my eyelids. This will not let the concealer to crease. Using this brown shade from this palette, I will fill in my eyebrows. Dust off the excess product. आईब्रोज आपके फेस को फ्रेम करता है, इसलिए इन्हें फिल इन करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है किसी भी मेकअप के लिए. कैन यू सी द डिफरेंस? Dust out the excess powder from the face using a fluffy brush. Using this compact powder, I am setting my rest of the face. Starting with the eye makeup, I am taking this shade and I will apply it all over my eyelid. I have taken a black eyeshadow and applied it to half of the eyelid. Taking this shade, I will blend the black color with the transition shade. Take your time to blend the eyeshadow properly for that smoky look. Using the same dark brown and black shade, I am smoking out my lower lash line. Again, I am taking the black eyeshadow on my finger and placing it on the lid for the intense color. Using this flat brush, I am blending the edges of the black color. Taking this rose gold shade from this palette, I will highlight the inner corners of my eyes. You can use any of the highlighter for highlighting. I will use the shade as my blush. Apply the blush in generous amount. Taking a brown shade, I will contour my face. Take good amount of time to blend the contour. Also blend your contour, connecting your hairline for an even look. Here I am applying the blush on my nose and also on my chin. Now it's highlighter time. I am applying the highlighter on the tip of the nose and the bridge of the nose. Also some on the cupid's bow and on chin. Using the finger, I am applying the highlighter on the cheekbone and now I will blend it with the brush. Lastly, to complete the eye look, I am coating my eyelashes with generous amount of mascara. Apply it on the both upper and the lower lashes. For the final look, I am applying this lipstick from inside. You can choose any of the shade you like. I am applying the compact powder on the lipstick to mute down its color. It will also mattify the lipstick. So here is the final look. I hope you liked the video and enjoyed watching it. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.